Welcome to another video. Today we're about to go have fun in the snow. Guys, so today is the day we are taking the ZL1 out in the snow. It has a snow and ice mode, so I want to see how that works outside. We got some good powder right here right now. So far we have some traction. Okay. Honestly, this is not bad. I would have to pick up some speed right here because of this hill. But okay. I'm actually impressed. Wow. Okay. Also, I'm letting guys watch my speed because I'm not gonna go too fast. But ice possible, drive with care. Got you. All right, man, this is actually fun. Man, we are inside of a ZL1 driving in the snow in the middle of January right now. And you guys might be able to see my window is cracked right here. I'd have to get my insurance and replace it for $0. Shout out to Progressive. They do $0 glass repairs. But okay, there's another Infinity coming, and he's probably like, what the f is this guy doing? Is this guy out of his mind? I think I should go home. I'm gonna get stuck right here. Watch. I'm gonna get stuck right here. Holy moly. I literally can't go anywhere. And then there's this guy. What the hell is he doing? Traction control off. Honestly, let's have some fun. Yo! There's a little more snow than I expected on the floor. It's really snowing hard right now. But we are making the drive, I guess. I don't know. Wish me luck. This car is like, dude, I can't drive. There is no traction on this car right now. Alright guys, we're still on our way. We're hitting the highway. And oh my god, everywhere's white. They poured a lot of salt, but I think they didn't do a good job cleaning the snow off the street. Honestly, the snow is getting a little bit out of control. I'm still driving the ZL1. This car is doing amazing, honestly. This is the scary part. We gotta go on top of a bridge. Bridges are usually where it's scary because these guys, no one really drives on them. And they usually get iced up, and no one really pours salt on these bridges. My friend's trying to do a little crazy shit right now. I'm not doing anything crazy until I get to a place where I know it's safe. It says, yo, what up?
Yo, y'all still there?
Yeah, we're here. How far are you?
5 minutes.
Oh, okay, bet.
You're 5 minutes from the mall, so it's quite convenient.
Alright, bet. We're here. Pull up.
Alright, bye.
Alright, peace. Nice! Look at this. Perfect. This is how the roads are always in the snowstorms and around this area. But today, it's been a little whack. And the highways, you see, this is perfect. This is how it is all the time. So we are living it right now. Yo. Whoa. Yo, what up? This is crazy right now. That's hilarious. I love it. This is that's an MDX. And then we got a dog here too. He's still going. He's still going. Look at this. Sheesh. What's up? Oh. We're in the middle of Tyson's drifting. That's awesome. Oh, Nick! Oh, that's you? Oh, shit. Got the Cobra in the house. What's up, man? Oh, he brought the camera. Look at that.
Hey, I don't have Sony.
Oh, look at that. Start here. Widen out a little bit. Timmy! Exotics! Let's go, guys. Who do you think did this? Who do you think did it? Who wants... Oh shit, damn, it's like launches. Is that for the goals? That's hilarious. Yo! That's crazy. This is that's hilarious. It's funny.
Shit.
Holy shit. Dude, that's crazy. Alright, gotta go center my car. Guys, this snow is scaring me right now. Just gotta move the car back a little bit. Guys, I'm covered in snow right now. We are out here. I think this is gonna be the only locations, honestly. Only location. We usually do a couple different locations, but today, I don't know if I can honestly make it home right now. And we got a good amount of cars. We got this Raptor, we got this Land Cruiser, we got another Lexus over there, and we got a 4Runner, we got a Civic, and then we got a MDX. And man, this is crazy. My camera won't even want to flip. That's how cold my hands are. And the screen is super fucking cold. Dude, that's crazy. What do you think about me getting home, bro?
I mean, I'm in a Civic.
Yeah, front wheel drive, dude.
Yeah, you got less of a chance of getting home.
Yeah, I guess I'm leaving my car
out
here.
Yeah,
Man.
like 45-minute drive.
Oh, sheesh. This is a good turnout, though. We are out here with a good turnout. Let's still call it. All right, be safe, guys. Be safe. Peace out. Okay, I'm down. Okay, cool. All right, guys, go. We're getting the fuck out of here. Look at the snow on my car. There's like 3 inches of fucking snow on my car. Look at this shit. God damn. This is not good, guys. This is not good. All right, so going back home, it's gonna be a little bit different because I think it added, before we come here, it was like 1 inch on the ground, but now there's about like 2.5 to 3 inches on the ground, and it's icy. So I don't know what he's telling us. What are you saying?
There's too much traffic. I think it's better to get out this way if you want to get out safely.
Okay, cool. All right, we'll do that. All right, be safe, guys. Oh, I'm stuck already. He said there's too much traffic that way. He said take this way if you want to go safely. So damn, there's about 3 inches on the ground right now, and ZL1 is going. Wow, I can't believe this car is a monster right now. This car is being a champion right now. There are some there are some SUVs who are having problems right now, but we are going like champions in the snow. There's a lot of people who are just going too slow right now, but they haven't plowed the roads. Yeah, this is getting scary, guys. I literally have no traction right now. I'm going sideways. I think I'm gonna get stuck. I don't know. Hope not. Hope not. I'm literally going sideways right now. Oh shit, there's a big chunk of ice. Maybe, oh shit. I'm gonna let this guy go. I think if I stay in the left lane, I should be fine. This lane has more tire marks than any other lane, and following footsteps basically. My boys are waiting for me right here. Hey, my boy, I just didn't want to stop, because if I stop, then I'll be fucked. Man, this is terrible. This is not good looking at all. We are basically driving on pure snow. It's literally pure snow right at this point. This is basically a slope right here that we're driving on. Guys, I honestly don't know how the hell I'm driving right now. This is terrible. Oh sheesh, this is terrible situation right now. Oh man, this is terrible. I think I'm not gonna be able to make it home, honestly. But it's very scary. But we'll see. I'm like spinning the entire way. It's getting really bad. I'm like literally, my car is going sideways as we're speaking. It's very scary time right now, and I was not expecting this. I was expecting the snow for sure, but I was not expecting the fucking the county not cleaning the highways. So that's what's really messing everything up for everybody. Honestly, I'm kind of going faster than some of the sedans out here, but also 30 miles in the highway, it's super slow. I'm gonna try to go in the middle lane and follow the footstep of There's a car in front of us that just went. Alright. This is the condition we're driving in right now. This is full of snow. I have no traction right now. No traction. Guys, I almost got stuck. Like literally, I went down to, my car wouldn't move faster than 5 miles an hour. Oh my God. This is way more scarier than I ever thought. I have no traction right now again. On top of a huge bridge right now. On my way home. So I'm not gonna go home because my street, I know it's gonna be so terrible. If these main streets are terrible, I know my house is gonna be terrible. So I'm gonna go park my car at a shopping center near my house, and I'm gonna get a ride to go to my house. Oh guys, I just left my car at the shop, Jim. Nick's calling me. Yo, what up, bro? We're on our way to Top Golf. Our friend over here, he's living life right now. He's going sideways. He's still sending it. Oh wow. Oh, this is awesome. Yo. This is so cool. He's having the best time of his life right now. Right. Today's the next day. I'm going to rescue my boy right now, and we are here. Oh shit, my boy's in the fucking woods. Oh, this is not good. We are still out here figuring out his car. Damn.
Yeah, man.
Damn, bro. The Z, fuck. Well, you never needed that front license plate anyways. I said you never needed that front liceness plate anyways.
That's what I'm saying.
Fuck.